With all of the coronavirus issues in the news lately, it has really brought an awareness to our issues of infectious cleans, outbreak cleaning, and are your cleaners or are your providers doing the best job possible to minimise cross-contamination and minimise healthcare acquired infections, whether they are in a hospital or an aged care facility or in the general community. So when it comes to looking at can we clean to a higher level or can we clean keeping in mind that we're trying to reduce cross-contamination as much as we can. This is why we need to look for a disposable cleaning program so that you're wiping each surface or each area with a clean, uncontaminated cloth, and then you're throwing it out before moving on to clean the next area with another one. So there are a few options that we've got here. One of the things that I really want to show you today is our new Prepare on-site disposable wipes. As you can see, it's a nice big bucket. In this bucket is a roll of 90 cloths. Now, they're either going to be cleaning cloths that we specifically want to do cleaning, pre-disinfection, or they'll be disinfection cloths that are specifically designed to put disinfectant down onto your surfaces. Now, you should be relying on your infectious control manager to tell you exactly what disinfectant they require you to use to deal with the situation that you've got at hand. Today, we're just going to use a 1,000 parts per million chlorine disinfectant, and I'm simply going to put 2 litres of pre-prepared solution into my bucket. Now this is as easy as it looks. We simply take the center cloth, put it through, our lid locks on, and you can see when we pull our cloth through, the whole last part of the cloth sits down there and is fully sealed in. This is going to maximize how long this disinfectant is going to work. So literally I've got 90 ready to use cloths. The cloths, as you can see, are nicely folded over so that my whole cloth on both sides is ready to use. That's going to simply allow me to apply my disinfectant and allow it to be on my surface for the required amount of time. When I've finished cleaning, I'm going to throw that cloth into my normal waste. If you are not cleaning large areas and you just need to clean one room for an infectious clean, you'll need to use a wipe to do your cleaning and another wipe to do your disinfecting. Now, to create these wipes, we'll simply smack the bag of chemical that's in the center and wait for 5 minutes. And while I'm waiting, I'll just show you that the best cloth to use for pre-cleaning a surface is our pre-moistened microfiber cloths. Now these pre-moistened cloths will clean perfectly, removing any dirt and debris on a surface. Now we can take our pre-prepared disinfection wipes. You can see that's a large wipe, and that is what we're going to apply our disinfectant with.